Mosquitoes and Landslides.
Numerous people in Darjeeling this year reported mosquitoes being seen around their locality. But how did this actually happen and what has it got to do with landslides? Well, mosquitoes tend to survive between 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and Darjeeling have an average of 22 to 24, falls right on the cusp of what would be considered mosquito territory. So therefore, any changes to the environment would cause mosquitoes to come up. For example, let's say a worldwide climatic condition. And a worldwide climatic condition is exactly what we got in La Nina. La Nina is basically just cold winds coming from the Pacific Ocean with a lot of moisture in them. This causes a lot of rainfall during monsoons in India and also leads to uncharacteristically cold winters in India. So this increase in moisture and rainfall, along with the bad drainage system in Darjeeling, is what led to all the mosquitoes and is also what is leading to all the landslides currently taking place. Because both landslides and mosquitoes love heavy rainfall, high moisture, and bad drainage. And climate change is also playing a big part in this because, due to physics reasons, higher altitude areas such as Darjeeling tend to face higher rates of climate change. This means that with higher rates of glacial melt in higher altitude areas, we are more prone for flash floods and landslides. And like landslides is already a big problem in Darjeeling, so it getting worse is a big deal for us. So what can we do about this? Well, one of my colleagues from Dadzin, Abhishek Pradhan, proposed a three-pronged system which I think is very effective. Step one is early warning systems. I mean, we knew about La Nina for almost a year and did absolutely nothing about it. We need to have surveys to see what exactly is going on in the climate and also to see which areas are more prone to landslides so that we can better react to them. Step two is land use regulation. We need to properly demarcate areas for particular land uses and strictly adhere to them to have a much more cohesive ecological unit. And step three is slope stabilization. After we find out which areas are more prone to landslides, we need to have proper stabilization efforts, afforestation, and we can also improve drainage so that landslides don't occur in the future. I mean, it's not going to be an easy task to do, and it will require a lot of effort from a lot of communities, but something needs to be done. In the meanwhile, stay prepared for a cold winter.